Hello and a very good evening to one and all in the Super Saturday at the Hero Hockey India League. And this time coming from Ranchi is a little dash of the men's action where it is the Hyderabad Tufans taking on the Tamil Nadu Dragons. The Hyderabad Tufans are in the top four by virtue of a hat-trick of wins in their most recent fixtures. The Tamil Nadu Dragons, ever since losing the first game, they've been on a rampage. Let's play is the cry, and these two teams will want to put one over the other. All in yellow are the Tamil Nadu Dragons, pushing from left to right in their all-white kit. Valmiki has played it inside. An opportunity from the left. A penalty corner all the same. It'll be the same personnel in the batteries. It'll be Payat, and this time he'll make no mistake. Gonzalo Payat, the talisman for the Tufans, has stepped up and delivered another stormy goal. They had to play catch up in the opening quarter, but thanks to this superstar, Gonzalo Payat, they have opened the account. Hyderabad Tufans won.
This is what he does so well, Gonzalo Payat. And what he does exceptionally well is just takes it a little to his left. That makes it a better angle for him to exploit. And it's a very difficult one to save because David Hart, in spite of his size,
out of bounds as far as Tamil Nadu are concerned. An opportunity this time, and what a strike! Arthur De Slua just stepped up in what was a roundabout penalty corner approach, but all is well that ends well for the Tufans as goal number 2 is upon them. At the start of this third quarter, Arthur De Slua coming to the party.
well, he's a fine finisher himself, has many goals in international hockey as well, and get it down very quickly.
Another chance this time for the Hyderabad Tufans, and they make it goal number 3 in what is a freakish counter-attack. They did not have too many numbers up front, but that didn't matter. They didn't have a penalty corner, but that didn't matter as well. And now the Tufans have built up their lead by 3 goals to nothing and are looking. And a good sequence of passes there. Inside the circle are the Tufans yet again, threatening to score. Goal number 4, Gonzalo Payat. He will be the man with the drag flick and a rip-roaring finish. That was a tracer bullet and some from Gonzalo Payat, who brings up his second goal in this contest and his 5th overall in the competition.
Exceptional drag flicking yet again because it's gone low. He's gone really hard.
The Tamil Nadu Dragons will endure the second defeat and the very first defeat in regulation time. Hyderabad Tufans make it 4 in a row with a 4-0 victory.